All right, this is me, Joe. Just want to let you know this is my smile before I decided to go with pop-on veneers. And that was the best thing I did. Go with pop-on veneers. I'm going to show you how you snap these new veneers on. It's easy. Snap on. Hey? That's why they call them pop-on veneers, because they pop on awesome. Great smile. I love them very much. I do. And if it wasn't for pop-on veneers, I wouldn't know what to do, to be honest with you. I would not know what to do. Pop-on veneers has changed my life, honest to God, too. Have gave me, how would I say, like wisdom, like made me feel better about myself. A whole lot better about myself with these new veneers, honest to God, too. And I decided to go and get spare veneers too, just in case. I have a problem with these, I just snap on the other ones, which I decided to go on a different color. But check this out, this is so cool. This is the mold of this is what my teeth look like. My teeth. This is the mold of my impressions. See? And then veneers, they just made it just right to fit on over my teeth. It looks good. Honest to God, too. Very nice. And I will recommend anyone out there that has a problem with their smile to give pop-on veneers a chance. You know, they're affordable prices. They're great, and they're good people. Honest to God, too, they're the best. You know, I didn't know what to do before I even decided, you know, what to go on with pop-on veneers. But I believe it's how they saved my life, man, and they saved my smile. I look better. And I'm so grateful and thankful for that. Honest to God, too. And I would truly recommend anyone out there that has problems to go on with pop-on. Give them a chance. You know, look at me. It did me justice, you know. And it will do you, too. And if you need help, I'll help you get with them, you know. But it's awesome. It's very awesome, you know. And I just feel great. Honest to God, too. I feel so good with my smile. I used to be embarrassed at times, you know. But I'm no longer embarrassed. You know, I'm just grateful for Pop-On. And want to say thank you, Pop-On, always, for your generosity and your affordable prices. Honest to God, too.